Oh my god, Henry, how dare you say loud sound effects? You know they're annoying. That's it, you're grounded for 342 days. Go to your room now.
Wah. 10 minutes later. Ah.